Hello guys and welcome back. In this video we will see how to buy TRON TRX on Trust Wallet. So let's start this video. Open Trust Wallet application, enter your password, and once you have opened Trust Wallet application, click on search bar and search for TRON. So click on the first option, which is TRX TRON. Now click on buy. So here you have to write down your USD amount in which you want to buy TRX. So I will just simply write $50 as an example. Now there is an option which says pay with credit. Just simply tap on it. Now again click on credit card and you will see three options through which you can pay. So if I select Google Pay, it will show you two providers. First is Transact and the second one is Simplex. But as you can see, Transact offers more TRX than Simplex. And click on again Google Pay, and over here there's an option digital wallet. Just click on it, and also there are two providers. So when you click on credit card, there are three providers. First is Transact, second is Alchemy Pay, and the third one is Simplex. You can see Transact offers more TRX than others. So I will just simply click on it and click on buy with credit. You can also buy them with credit card, where you have to give all of your credit card details. So once you click on it, you can see there's an option which says using pay method. And as I told you that there are many methods. You can also pay with Apple Pay and also Google Pay. So it depends upon you which one you want to select and from which one you want to pay. So you have to click on buy now, then you have to enter your email address, and then you have to give all the details. And once you have done that, then you can easily buy TRX from Trust Wallet. I hope this video will help you. If so, please consider in liking this video and subscribe our channel.